Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am currently outside, so if you hear anything in the background, I'm outside, baby. If you are a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing to me. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to see me. Thank you for all your support. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and share this video, and put your nail tech friends on, because I'm dropping the gems like this. Legit, I'm dropping the gems. I see so many people do this nail room tour, and it's so cute to see, you know, how everybody has their stuff decorated, and you know, it's just cute. I'm gonna take you guys with me, and I'm so excited. Shout out to all the girls that's making it happen. Whatever happens, and they still making it happen. Okay, yo, these bugs are really bugging me out. Get away from me. Away from me. I said follow, comment, like, subscribe. Right here I have one of my birthday gifts, and I got it. I deserve it. Oh. It's beautiful. It's a certification card. It's thick. It's not plastic, baby. I tell you that. It is not plastic, and it matches my necklace. I'm so excited right now. Hold on. Like, honestly, the last time I had a good birthday was when I was like 18. Like, I'm talking about fun, a lit birthday. I was 18. Look at the link. Can you see the preview of the link? Can you tell? I'm about to take it out the wrapper. Hold on.
Buddy, the pictures I seen, I'm like, damn, it got lucky. Take it from him and not leave him with nothing.
Okay guys, so we're finally here. It looks like nobody's here, so I'd be so scared to be in there alone, but it's okay. I'm just dropping off my stuff and showing you guys the suite. Let's go. This is it, guys. It's so pretty. So right here we have our check-in area. So cute. Our sign-in. Back there's our bathroom, beauty spa. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and go inside. This is one of the waiting areas. So cute, guys. We have our steam room right here for all of my ladies looking to get steamed. You have your wine right here, and we have some other people, and then there's me. Oops. You know, you guys can come get your stuff done. Maybe not. Yay, it works. Okay. Oh shoot. Okay.
Hey, how you doing?
Hi.
I'm downstairs, the photographer.
back to my car, and I got the rest of the day to do some things before I go on vacation for my birthday. So I wanted to just get some of these things done before I went, so that when I come back I'll be ready to, you know, get my mind together, get my goals popping, and keep conquering this world and everything that this world has to offer me. You know what I'm saying? It's like you gotta take things one day at a time, child. That's what I'm trying to say. You gotta take things one day at a time. Please stay tuned for that. It's gonna be so lit. It's gonna be so lit. It's gonna be so nice once I get everything like together. If you are looking to get your nails done, go ahead and follow me and message me. You know, bookings is open now. Like, I couldn't say that before because it always bothered me that I did not have a place to do my stuff at. And you know, everybody always hits me up like, oh, let's do your nails, like, can I do your nails? And I'd be like, oh my gosh, yes. I just want to put my best self out there. Like, don't get me wrong, I did what I had to do in order to get to where I needed to be. Like, as you can see, I came a very long way in all of this stuff. But you know what I'm saying? Now I get to pop my shit. Okay, now come to my suite. Okay, hunty, let's enjoy a glass of wine. I need to get a mini fridge because I want to have some wine, sis. Period. Like, I'm here to help you relax and get in your bag. Get these nails done. Start talking with your hands. I know I'm not the only girl that talks with their hands when they get their nails done. But other than that, psh, we live all damn time. Baby, 28 is looking crazy. 28 is going to be my golden year. Like, gold right now is me. You saw my watch. My watch is diamonds. Them diamonds is talking, okay? Bye, guys, and I'll see you guys later. Okay, guys, this is day 2. We are back after vacation. We are back, and look what okay, guys, so this is what it's looking like. We have, you know, from my ladies, their purses, their jackets, whatever they want to hang. Cool little seat right here. Obviously that's gonna be hung up right there too, because you know we gotta take selfies during the breaks. My little corner, I'm gonna get that corner together. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Probably put it over here. My dad just hung up my beautiful portrait. I want to wake up and see that every day and read it every day, you know. And of course my poppin' butterfly, which I just told you I have to take these things off, but you know, I just wanted to see how it looked. My cute fluffy pillows, so my ladies are comfortable. Okay, leather, don't play with the leather, baby. And then my desk, I have some things that I forgot to bring. It was in a bag, but it's like a cute little, what's that called? It's like a little small carpet. We have something jelly to go right here to protect my table. Obviously these beautiful flowers are not gonna stay right there. They're just there for right now. Probably gonna put something in the corner to put them in. I don't know, maybe even on top of there. I don't know. But y'all, we are ready. We are ready to go, and I hope you guys stay tuned. Okay, bookings open, baby. Come see me. Come talk to me. And we like